In this video, we will look at how you can anonymize your data for image and video annotation. This step can be crucial in the annotation pipeline as it's sometimes required to comply with different data regulations. Today we will take a look at the Anonymize data application. It utilizes neural networks to detect and blur human faces and car license plates on images and videos. The app can be launched from the context menu or the ecosystem. First, let's select the input project. Then we can configure the target objects. It can be set to faces, license plates, or both. We also can save the detections if we need them, or disable the anonymization. Next, we can configure the anonymization method, the shape and the fill. The last part is the threshold. The threshold is the entry filter for the model's detections. I'll leave it on default. Now all we need to do is press the Run button and wait till the task is completed. The application does not require a GPU to work, but if you have it on your agent, the processing times are going to be cut down significantly. If you want to know how to connect an agent, we have video guides for that. The links are in the description. I opted to save the detections, and we also get the model's confidence as a tag attached to each bounding box. Let's toggle the box visibility to see the blur. Pretty good results. Now let's try this on videos with faces and license plates. If you have enjoyed this computer vision tutorial, please leave a like and subscribe to our channel. And if you have any questions, feel free to leave them in the comments. Thank you for watching.